Hi, I'm Jeremy, the author of Exploring Arduino. What you're about to watch is a brief video demonstration of one of the projects in the second edition of the book Exploring Arduino. If you don't already have the book, visit exploringarduino.com to learn more about it and where you can buy it. If you make a cool project from the book and want to share it, please use the hashtag #ExploringArduino on social media. Okay, good luck with the project. Here's a quick demonstration of sending data over a BTLE link from our Adafruit Feather BTLE equipped board here to the Adafruit data logging app that they have available for iPhone and Android. As I turn the potentiometer here, you'll see the data change on the iPhone that's connected over BTLE. You'll also see that the Feather is connected to my computer via USB and transmitting both the current state of the potentiometer as I turn it and confirmation each time it sends a data packet over the BTLE link to the phone. Try connecting another kind of sensor to the analog input to see how it responds differently from the potentiometer.